महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Apla Webwani. This is Preeti Sabe. Let's have a look towards today's top news. The third phase of the vaccination drive was to begin on May 1st. However, most states were not able to kick-start their vaccination drive because they just didn't have enough vaccine stock. Before the third phase began, two companies supplying vaccines to India revised the price of the vaccines. In a fresh input on the reputation of fugitive demand term, Mehul Choksey, a team of multi-agency experts led by a CBI DIG, has reached Dominica to bring back the businessman if the court in the Caribbean allows his deportation to India. The team consists of 2 members of the CBI and officials of the other agencies, as per the source of news agency PTI. The Central Board of Secondary Education on Tuesday cancelled class 12 board exams 2021 on the backdrop of second wave of coronavirus. The decision was taken during a high-end meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. The decision was taken after the PM was briefed on all possible options that have emerged following an extensive discussions with all states and other stakeholders. Activist and youngest Nobel laureate Mala Yousafzai, an advocate for girls' education and women's equality, became the cover star for British magazine Vogue in its 2021 July edition. The information was shared through the Twitter handle of Arab News Pakistan on early Wednesday. Let's have a short break. Welcome back after the break. In a recent development, the World Health Organization has granted an emergency use for the COVID-19 vaccine made by the Chinese company Sinovac. The vaccine will be used for adults 18 years and older in a 2-dose schedule with a spacing of 2 to 4 weeks. Meanwhile, last month Sinopharm became the first Chinese vaccine to be approved by the WHO. Here is an inspirational story from Kailash Idukki. Here the students walk for 6 kilometers daily in order to study amid COVID times. The reason behind their walks is slow speed of internet. The students suffer as they don't get enough internet speed to attend classes and study online. This is why the student walk for 6 kilometers and study at a place where the signal is better. Center of Monitoring Indian Economy Chief Executive Mahesh Vyas has made some shocking revelations regarding the economic and employment situation in the country amid the COVID pandemic. Vyas claimed that the second wave of the deadly coronavirus has left over 1 crore Indian jobless, while around 97% of households' incomes have declined since the beginning of the pandemic. with the H10N3 strain of bird flu, the country's National Health Commission said on Tuesday. The 41-year-old patient from Zhejiang city is currently in a stable condition and meets discharge standards. PTI reported the state-run CGTN TV as stating. So by this, today's news has finished. Have a nice day.